hello, welcome to NS Physics Academy. Today we will discuss about Newton's second law, mathematical expression. What is the proof for Newton's second law? First of all, what is Newton's second law? Newton's second law is nothing but F is equal to ma. So, the product of mass into acceleration is equal to the applied force or change in momentum with respect to time, that is equal to applied force on it. This is the Newton's second law. What is the proof for that? Mathematical expression for Newton's second law. Suppose if we take a body mass m and it with the initial velocity of the body it is u, when we applied force on it, the final velocity becomes v. So here it is the initial momentum. Initial momentum here. Before going to momentum, initial momentum, what is momentum? That is P is equal to m into v. P, it is momentum, equal to the product of mass into acceleration. The product of mass into acceleration, it is considered as momentum. What is the initial momentum of a body? The m into u. The initial momentum is m u. And the final momentum it becomes m into v. M is constant here, the velocity will be different. So the change in momentum according to the Newton's law, Newton's second law, change in momentum is equal to the applied force. So what is the change in momentum here? Change in momentum is nothing but final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum minus initial momentum. Right. So here change in momentum, it is equal to the applied force based on the Newton's second law. The change in momentum, it is equal to the applied force. That's why change in momentum, it is considered as a applied force. So that's why I am writing F here. F is equal to the final momentum, that is mv, minus initial momentum, that is mu, with respect to the time. This is the change in momentum with respect to time, it is equal to the applied force. Now I am writing F is equal to, m is the common, m is constant, so that's why m into v minus u by t. V minus u with respect to the time. Here the velocities will be different. The final velocity minus initial velocity, it is the change in velocity with respect to time. It is considered as a acceleration. A is equal to v minus u by t. What is v minus u by t? It is the change in velocity with respect to time. That's why I am writing here A. A means acceleration. So this is m into A. Then last one is F is equal ma. This is the mathematical proof of Newton's second law. So what is the Newton's second law here? The product of mass into means mass and acceleration, it is equal to the applied force on it. Any body we are applying force on it, it is equal to the change in momentum with respect to the time. In next class we will discuss about collisions. How the collisions will be occurred, means conservation of collision. The before momentum is equal to the final momentum. So we will discuss in next class. Thank you.